What's going down, everybody? It's your boy, That Guy Mile High, tuning back in for another reaction. And this time we got the top 10 disturbing moments caught by doorbell cameras. All right, before we jump into that, we got to give a big shout out to the members. Gang, gang, gang. You know what I'm saying? You want to become a member, hit that join button down below. Gang, gang, gang. Make sure you just subscribe and hit the bell notification too, because, you know, that's free. But if you want to be a member, go ahead and do that, and you'll be on this list because we go ahead and shout out all the members now at the tops of every video to show our appreciation. We got Lynn, Ryan Parks, Token, Taylor, Mad Creeker, Jane, Liz, Misty, Summers, Nugget, My Hood Life, and Gary. Shout out to all you guys, man. And yeah, let's jump into this video without further ado. You dig what I'm saying? All right.
Welcome to
full screen, full screen. Chill out, chill out. All right, let's go.
Channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 10 scary videos caught on doorbell camera.
These doorbell cameras,
in this video, posted by Inside Edition on July 6th of 2018, Ring doorbell camera footage captures a woman yanking on a doorknob and banging on the window of a home of a complete stranger. The woman began throwing her body at the window and pulls the screen off.
You can see the intruder backing up and throwing the full force of her body into the window.
He
brakes. Then she pulls out the screen and reaches in. The homeowner screams.
What is going on? What is going on?
A police officer arrived and confronted the woman.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
What?
Hannah Nakagawa was arrested, and you might find it hard to believe that she was a first-grade teacher. Hannah was also believed to be under the influence. The following day, Hannah's father came to the home her daughter tried to break into to apologize to the woman. I'm glad the woman is okay, and hopefully Hannah gets some help.
Facts. She need all the help she can get.
In this Facebook video posted by Katu News on August 9th of 2016, a Portland man and his family were getting ready for a vacation one morning before they got an alert from their Ring doorbell camera. The man believed his wife was outside loading luggage into the car, but he was shocked to see a man with a backpack attempting to steal one of the suitcases. The homeowner came outside and chased the man away, who dropped the suitcase. The homeowner stated it probably wasn't the best move, however. The man could have been armed and very dangerous.
Adrenaline is going though. That's what I mean.
I'm just glad everyone is okay and that their luggage is intact. In this video posted by WTOL11 on August 13th of 2020, a scary man in a mask and hoodie can be seen knocking on a woman's door. The woman asked, "Who is it?" And the man said, "Me." The man eventually walked away, but there was another creepy man hiding behind an object. The woman considered letting the man in case he needed help, but followed her instincts not to.
Good.
The woman also stated that the men tried her back door as well. Yeah, giggity giggity. Always trust your gut, people.
Hell yeah.
And don't let strangers into your house. That's bananas.
If they look like they need help and they in distress, you just call
In this
the police.
video, at 6:30 a.m., a man tried to break into a couple's home. The front door didn't work, so he tried the back. The homeowner got a notification and saw the man on his phone. The man yelled at the burglar, which scared him off. The police arrived quickly, and the suspect hadn't gotten far, and they actually were able to arrest him.
That's what he gets.
In this video, posted by KSNV News 3 Las Vegas on October 3rd of 2019, Ring footage captures a woman using multiple keys to break into a house of a man named John late at night. The woman was said to have tried the same thing on John's neighbor's home and was unsuccessful. Perhaps the woman came to the wrong home by mistake and wasn't trying to break in at all. What do you think? In this video, posted by Doorbell News on September 26th of 2021, two men can be seen knocking on the door of an Ohio man at 3 a.m. The two men claimed to be from the Columbus Police Department. The man refused to show a badge because there wasn't one to show.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
CPD.
I'm sorry?
We've seen this one before on another one of these CPD.
CPD, we need to ask you a
or
couple
CTV
questions. May you please step to the
cameras,
front door,
doorbell
please?
camera. There you go.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
The other guy made an attempt to get the homeowner to open up before both men walked away. The actual police arrived shortly thereafter. You could see that the men were armed, and I obviously can't show that on YouTube, but thank God that the homeowner was smart and didn't let those criminals in.
He didn't have to be smart. He could clearly see that they weren't fucking who they said they were, and he could see the weapon. Like, that's what these cameras is for. You don't got to be smart. You just got to be able to see. You know what I'm saying?
In this short video posted by CBS Denver, 3 mountain lions can be seen roaming a neighborhood in Georgetown. The lions can be seen on camera at 2 different houses. Good thing no one's pets were outside, or that could have gotten ugly.
Hungry.
Word of advice to those in Georgetown, keep your pets inside.
They was just hungry.
This video is profoundly disturbing and is not for the faint of heart. A woman can be heard screaming for her life in the neighborhood. Her neighbors come out looking around, wondering what the hell is going on.
Yeah, so like
The woman can be heard screaming, "Somebody help me!" and the voice of a man saying, "I'm sorry." The man then drove off with the woman. Take a look.
I'm sorry. That's so weird.
A possible kidnapping late last night here along 3rd Avenue in Lemert Park. Residents heard those screams and called 911. Witnesses say that the getaway car was a small white hatchback.
And they had the hatch up so you couldn't even see the license plate either.
In another Facebook video captured in Kansas on March of 2017, Ring footage captures a house in the distance engulfed in flames. Eventually, the fire spread to the homeowner's house. Luckily, he wasn't home at the time, but he did see the scary events unfold on his phone. A brave neighbor tried to put the flames out and warn the homeowner, and the homeowner let him know that he wasn't there.
Hello, yes, I'm not there. Please put that out for me, please. I'm on my way home.
House on fire!
Yeah, I know, I'm on my way.
That shit would be wild.
I'll be there in a second.
Thankfully, the fire was put out right before any serious damage could occur.
Yeah, just burn some bushes.
Stay
up.
tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. If you enjoyed the content and want real-time updates, follow me on Twitter at The Fear Tales. The link is in the description. In this video posted on October 11th of 2016, a man dressed as a clown can be seen approaching a home with a weapon and trying to get into the house.
Yeah, we've seen this one too.
He tried the front door and was unsuccessful. The clown then went around the back and tried the back door, but was also unsuccessful.
And then dipped out on some weird ass shit. Some weirdo shit. With his knife. I'm surprised there wasn't more
failing
of
to
these
get into the
clown
house,
motherfuckers getting shot back in the day. You know, I'm not trying to wish nothing, bad on nobody, but I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? That trespassing, you come with ill intent as far as I'm concerned. You might not lead this bitch, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I love y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about that down in the comments below. There was definitely a few of those that we had seen before, some ones that we hadn't seen before. So yeah, but y'all let me know. I'll catch y'all later.